the glasses. Okay, let me get started. Okay, hello dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. It's hot, bright sunshine outside. And this video, I want to do a practice of different light setting. I have seen videos on YouTube, some people using different kind of setting. Just I am curious how it works. So now you will see. Let me explain a little bit. I have a small rig light, which is using right now, and I put it into the lightest setting. You will take a look later. And so this is the lightest, not so much light. And in front of me is a screen light. You can see, and this is a dynamic screen light. And the color changes from cold to hot color, and it dynamically changes. I turn off the light, and I turn off the light and put on a curtain. Now I will change into a pure light screen. Before I change into pure light screen, you will take a look how the screen works. So these are the screen I am using, and I can change into warm screen, pure white screen. Now let's try the pure white screen, and I will tell you how it looks on my face later. Okay. Because of the light source is relatively weak, so this is pure white. Now let's change into warm white. So this is a warm white screen. I maybe need to put this one a little bit stronger. And my face is relatively flat because the light is all coming from the front. Now I will change into, this is dynamic light setting. You have already seen the dynamic light setting, so my face change color. And it's only from one side, because this side I have this small rig light. Okay, now we change into cold blue light, and completely cold blue. And this one is completely cold blue. Now I turn on black light. This is completely black. That is interesting, actually. Yeah, so, and also I can use this small light. So this is a red light. And I can change. This is lower strength. Oops, blue light. Strong blue. Strongest blue. Weak blue, very weak. Okay, we change color. This one, change color. This is green light. And different strengths of green light. Magenta light. Strong magenta. pull it a bit afar. And let me put this light a little bit strong. Okay, this way. That light a little bit strong. Direction. This is a bit light, a bit stronger. Okay, this is the distance. Okay, blue light. Cold light, and now this light and the small rig light is the same. That is always there. Sorry if the sound is not good. Okay. Where is the highlight should be? It's interesting. Now this is the warm light. A little bit like sunlight. And this side, on my this side is cold light. On my this side is warm light. Look at my muscle. So that's so you can play around with the light. We can dial it low, strong. Actually, so this is the strongest, and just this side, it's I do not know because I didn't wear glasses. So I think a little bit supporting light from here and there will make it more interesting, right? I make it a little bit low, the lowest, or maybe make it cold light. This outline the face, I think. I can turn my bedroom into a light studio. This is so fun. But there is a problem. If I wear glasses, then there is very much light and I cannot see my eyes. See the light here, make it. Strong, yeah, and out of this range. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Cuckoo, bye bye. Isn't it funny? Isn't it silly? My hair, my pure hair. Bye bye.